So one of the workers started to give me bad word and push me. That time I also move him little bit, just ignore to, and then it was like 60 to 50 people, but they working on jet skis, all the jet ski. So all of them start to kick me. Then I run. Then the owner call me to my phone. The owner of the jet ski. He called me. He said, Dudu, don't make any misunderstanding. You wait for me. I will settle out. He come half an hour after. He called me. I was on the beach. He called me. When I go down, they start to beat me with metal rod, with bamboo, with a knife, cut me here. So I start to swim most down in the water, like did the diving. Lucky I was to swim.
डुडूच्या आदोगाताक पोलिसांच्या तपासाचेर दुबाव.
With respect to David Diram, this Israeli national, who is also known as Dudu, he was beaten up yesterday by one person called Mahesh, along with his other boys, with iron rods. He's assaulted on his head, on his back, pictures you already have it. Now we filed a complaint of this assault with police. Both he and his wife has been beaten up so royally in this incident. We have already contacted the embassy. We have sent his complaint to embassy. We have sent the photographs also of his assault to embassy. So they itself will take action, I feel, and they will contact police also.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश घाडी.